and welcome to this math tutorial. Let's find the value of this expression for a times b equals a minus b with ab not equals to 0. Alright, so what I'll do first is, let me write the question where we have a times b, that will be ab, equals to a minus b. Now, let's call this our equation 1. Okay, now from this equation 1, now I'm going to express a in terms of b. Express a in terms of b, so that this will be, I'm going to move a to the left hand side, so that this will be ab minus a equals to negative b. Now this is same as a multiplied by b minus 1, because when we factor out a, in this case, this will be a parenthesis b minus 1 equals to negative b. So if you divide both sides by b minus 1, so the expression for a in terms of b will be a equals to negative b divided by b minus 1. So let's call this equation 2. Now, from the same equation 1, I'm going to express b in terms of a. Okay, from equation 1, okay, express b in terms of a using the same equation. Now we have equation 1 to be ab equals to a minus b. Now to make b the subject of the formula, so I'm going to carry this over to the left hand side, so that we can have ab plus b equals to a. Now a is common in this expression, so that this will be b is common, so this will be b parenthesis a plus 1 equals to a, so that the expression for b will be equals to a over a plus 1. So the expression for b in terms of a is b equals to a over a plus 1, and this will be equation 3. Now, let's now find the value of this expression. So from that expression, we have a over b. So the expression for a over b will be, we're going to have a over, now we have a to be negative b divided by b minus 1 over b, which will be equals to, a over b will be equals to negative b over b minus 1 multiplied by 1 over b. This b will cancel this b, then we can have a over b to be equals to negative 1 over 1 minus over b minus 1. So this is the expression for a over b. Okay. Now, let's write the expression for, now I'm going to write the expression for b over a. So for b over a, this will be the expression for b in terms of a, which is a over a plus 1 divided by a. Okay, then this will be a over a plus 1 multiplied by 1 over a, so that b over a will be equals to 1 over a plus 1. So this is the expression for b over a. All right, now we have here that ab is equals to a minus b. So which means for this expression, which is a over b plus b over a negative ab, this will be, for a over b, we got minus 1 over b minus 1 plus, we have b over a. Now for b over a, this is the expression for b over a. So for b over a, we have 1 over a plus 1, then minus, so in this case, we have ab to be equals to AB to be equals to A minus B. So this will be minus parenthesis A minus B. Now, to write this expression in terms of B, so I'm going to substitute this I'm going to substitute this for A in this expression. And I'll do the same thing here. So this will be negative 1 over B minus 1 plus 1 over. So the expression for A in terms of B is minus B over B minus 1. Then plus 1 minus parenthesis. So for now, A is minus B over B minus 1. So this will be minus B over B minus 1, then minus B. All right, so we simplify this expression. We're going to have this expression will be, now, this will be 1 over negative B plus B minus 1 divided by B minus 1. That is B minus 1 times 1. That will be B minus 1. Okay. Then minus, now we can also simplify this to be B minus 1 multiplied by B. That will multiply by negative B. This will be negative B squared plus B divided by B minus 1. Okay, so that this will be minus B plus B, that will be 0. So in this case, we have negative 1 over B minus 1, okay, over B minus 1 plus 1 over negative 1 divided by B minus 1. Now in this case, negative B plus B, this will be 0, okay. Negative times negative is positive. So this will be plus B squared over B minus 1. Now, positive times negative is negative. So in this case, we're going to have negative 1 over B minus 1. This will be negative. And when we flip this, this will become B minus 1. Then plus B squared over B minus 1. Now I'm going to combine these fractions. I'm going to combine those two fractions. So combining these two fractions, we have negative 1 over B minus 1 plus B squared over B minus 1. Okay, then minus, this will be negative parenthesis B minus 1. So this will be negative parenthesis B minus 1. So this will be now the same denominator. So we have a common denominator of B minus 1. So this will be B squared minus 1 divided by B minus 1. Then if we open this parenthesis, distributing the minus, we have negative B plus 1. So in this case, we have a difference of two squares. In this case, this will be B squared minus 1 squared over B minus 1. Then negative B plus 1. So in this case, this will be B minus 1 multiplied by B plus 1 over B minus 1. Then negative B plus 1. So that B minus 1 divided by B minus 1, that will be 1. So in this case, we have B plus 1 minus B plus 1. So plus B minus B, that will be 0. 1 plus 1. And that will be equals to 2. So therefore, the expression A over B plus B over A minus AB is equals to 2. So the value of this expression is 2. The noblest pleasure is the joy of understanding. Bye-bye.